More than 60% of inmates at News Correctional Institution in Goldsboro now testing positive for COVID-19, with one dying. This video from the North Carolina Department of Public Safety shows a disinfectant machine known as a power breezer used to clean prisons.
I'm gonna give you a brief demonstration of the power breeze. We did use this machine yesterday. We did 2 dorms. We also did the food service area, and we did the gym. I will give you a brief demonstration of how this actually works. You have your power button here. You can press the power button to get it to start. Once you get to start, you got a control to control your speed setting of your fan. You have the water button. That'll start the water falling down. That's gonna give you your mist that the fan's gonna blow out in the area. You also have an agitation button, which will make it go from side to side. It works real good. We're actually pleased with it. I'm going to start this now, pushing the power button. I'm going to give the fan some speed. I will now start the water. Here's the agitation. We let the machine run for about 45 minutes to an hour. Then we gave it 15 minutes to cool down. That will allow us to bring the offenders back in. The dorm should be pretty much clear.
A spokesperson for DPS says the Division of Prisons is taking numerous actions in response to the pandemic.
In Raleigh, Gloria Rodriguez, ABC 11 Eyewitness News.
For more information, you can find us online at powerbreezer.com or give us a call at 844-233-5673. Or you could send an email to sales@powerbreezer.com.